Hello everyone, Sophia the First Lover 2021 here, and you may have seen this, if you watched my previous video, you may have seen this clock chiming. It's actually getting ready to go off. So this is a Sunbeam Westminster Chime regulator wall clock. I got it used at an antique store in Taylor, Texas. Right now I'm in Austin in my dorm room, as you can see by the stuff. All the crap that I have. Ignore the laundry that I have to do. But it is gonna go off in about a couple seconds. Let me see what time it is. It is 4:19. And for some reason the clock is about 20 minutes off the actual time. But I decided, hey, why not make a review of it? So here we go. Just waiting. And it's supposed to go off like every 30 minutes at the 30 and then at the hour. But it gave out one bong. And I love this clock. Hang on just a second. Hello? Who's there? Oh, hey, Tiffany. Sorry about that, that was my dorm staff. But anyway, I got this used at an antique store for about 80 bucks. $75 to be accurate, actually. And this thing is working. It's working, but the pendulum is not swinging. This is what it's supposed to do. But I'm just gonna leave it as it is. So yeah, it is, I believe it is, it's 4:21. I'm zooming in on my Google Nest Hub. Excuse me. But yeah, it's made out of oak, I believe, or maple. And just look at this. It is beautiful. And this, I don't know why the pendulum doesn't swing. It's just, I've had it repaired. I'm at my school right now. I've had it repaired, and the electronics are confused. So what that basically means is that its chimes are all wrong, mixed up. It just chimes when it wants to. It has a mind of its own. The speaker is right there, right here. There's the speaker. Uh-oh. I almost knocked it off the wall. And then there's the other side. See, there's nothing on the other side except for that little hole. And there's another little hole right there for the pendulum. But it's not swinging. And none of these doors, none of them open. All you gotta do is take the clock off the wall and adjust it from the back. Now I have it set to almost to the second, so this is to all my subscribers. I know a couple friends have subscribed to my channel and they love this thing. So, yeah. It's a Quartz. I believe it's a Seiko movement. Movement. I'm not sure. But, yeah, it's got Roman numerals and markers. Black hands. Black, beautiful decorative hands. Right there. I don't know if you can see that. But it's right there. It's close to 430. Or, yeah, 430. It's about 425 right now. 424 is my alarm clock. But yeah, that's a little review of it. It only has one chime, and that last video last clock video I made was of my grandfather's clock. It's a triple chime movement. It's a Seth Thomas, beautiful thing. And I just showed Westminster. I just wanted to clarify that. So there you go. There she is. It's vintage. And sorry about the noise. That's my mini fridge. But yeah. And it doesn't have nighttime silence. It doesn't have volume control. The next one I want has volume control, and it chimes every 15 minutes. So it's Seiko Gold, Westminster, and Whittington movement. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick overview of this clock, and I'll catch you guys later.